Hi, CIS 105 students. Some people had some questions on how to do the appointments in the Outlook calendar. So I just wanted to go over that very quickly with you and make this short little video. So to start with, you're going to go ahead and change from your Outlook email view to your calendar view. So down in the bottom left corner, just click on the calendar icon and your calendar appears. Now, by default, I believe yours shows up as a monthly view like this. If you feel that that's too difficult to work with, which for me it is, click on week, and then you can see Sunday through Saturday. When you go to create an appointment, you're going to click on New Appointment, and what we're doing is putting our class schedule in here. So if I have a class that meets, I'll just say that I have a Medicist class, and it's located in the Tech Center 173, which is my lab. I can say that this is a recurrence. So I'm going to click on recurrence, and we're going to say that it meets from 9 a.m. So I'll click on 9 a.m. and let's say that it gets over with at 10:20. So I'm going to go in here and type in 10:20 a.m. and then it'll tell me how long that meets. So I know it doesn't meet for 1,520 minutes. It's weekly, but let's say it's going to meet on Mondays and Wednesdays. So I may have to go back in here and change my time frame. So I'll go ahead and type the 10:20 back in here again. Sometimes you have to do that. 80 minutes. That's how long my class is. So we're going to say that this class started at the beginning of the semester. So I'm going to choose Monday the 8th, and it's going to end on the last day of this semester, which for us would be, or for you would be May 2nd. So I'm just going to put May 2nd in there and click OK. So we talked about a couple of things in class. When you're in a class, you probably want it to show that you're busy. Do you want a reminder? You don't have to have one. That's, you hear your phone ding every so many minutes because you have an upcoming appointment. So by default, yeah, I think it says 15. You could choose none if you want. That's up to you, however you want to set that. And then categorize. If you want to categorize this, so you want to color code your calendar. I know I'm a little ridiculous with that, but maybe I want to color code my calendar. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a category for a color, and then I'm just going to click Save and Close. There's 34 classes it's going to put in here for me. So now if you look on my calendar, it added this MA class into my calendar. It conflicts with another one, but that's fine. So you can go ahead and go in and add your class schedule into your Outlook calendar. So for your next class period, you want to have all of your classes in there. Now, if you're not sure how to see your schedule, remember that if you go out into My MTI, you can see, let me get to My MTI for you quickly here. Oh, I don't want webmail, do I? We'll go to My MTI. When you log into your account, you have the option of the Student tab. And if you click on My Schedule, you're going to be able to see where your schedule's at, what days you meet, and you can find the room details if you look under the details. So that's just a quick overview of how to put in your appointments in Microsoft Outlook. Again, this does not work in Outlook 365. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Have a great day.